Alright, this is how you take the fuse box apart. So let me kind of put it back together here. Okay, this goes here, this clips on here, it pops in. Okay. And then these here were the hardest ones to get. These go here, these were there, just like so. Alright. And the actual gym module fits right here. Just 2 bolts, 3 bolts actually, 3 bolts. Here, and the one on here comes out. So those 2 stud things go all the way through, and it has like a mushroom piece on top here. They have to grind down. Once you grind those down, you get a punch and a hammer. You can punch those out. Once you get those out, then you can. Next thing you do is take this cover out. Of course, take the fuses out. Then you take this cover, right? Once you take the cover off, you'll find these little things here, right? They'll be all in here. You see, I took them all out. What I just did is got a pick and just did like so. And they come out. Once you got all those things out, then you can start popping it from the sides here. And it should just come out just like that. Alright. As you can see, this one's bad, it's all corroded. That's why I'm replacing it with a used one.